check out my shot of the X3 and the Hero 12. They're not exactly the same, and they're both shot in auto, so you'll get a pretty good idea of what I'm about to talk about. Because in this video, I'm comparing the Insta360 X3 versus the GoPro Hero 12. See how you'll get a perfect view of yourself with the X3. In 360 mode, attach anything between its lenses and boom, it magically disappears in the final shot. Now that's some filmmaking wizardry, allowing you to capture yourself from a third-person viewpoint. The Hero 12 keeps it old school with a selfie stick and all the limitations that come along, not like those fancy 360 cameras. With the X3 you can shoot first and use the app or studio to always stay in frame. With the X3 you can really soak up and embrace the moment. Whereas with the Hero 12, that's more of a classic camera that makes you concentrate on the shot, and that has a big influence on your overall experience because you're worried about getting the shot rather than being in the shot. But with the X3, that worry disappears. So why is that? Well, because in post-production, you decide where to look in the 360 video. Travelers like me, and you too, love the X3 because of this. Picture yourself in a new city, wanting to take in the sights and go for a stroll. With the X3 you can totally experience your exploring while the camera on the selfie stick captures everything perfectly. Talk about being in the moment without distractions. Here's another way you can take advantage of the on-the-fly reframing so you don't even have to edit if you don't want to. The X3 offers the all-new Me Mode, which fixes the frame to focus only on you. That selfie stick is still invisible and you can shoot in 60 frames per second and slow it down on your editing timeline for slow motion too. With the Hero 12, you get a horizon lock feature that keeps the horizon level with the crops, even if you rotate the camera while facing forwards. But the X3 takes it up a notch with vertical horizon lock too. You can rotate the camera in any direction and keep the horizon level without any cropping. You can freely move and rotate the camera in all directions, allowing you to get as creative as you want with your shots. Doesn't matter how you mount it. Your footage stays steady. Advantage: X3. The Hero 12 has a solution for getting the footage in the aspect ratio you want. An 8:7 ratio that's actually perfect for YouTube and TikTok. You can crop 16:9 or 9:16 videos without losing video quality. Just note, horizon lock stabilization takes a backseat in this mode. And aspect ratio freedom is a big deal in 360 videos too. With the X3, you can crop a 9:16 for TikTok and 16:9 for YouTube without losing quality. But there are a couple of downsides we need to cover. Let's talk cons. The X3 can go up to 5.7K resolution, but if you edit a 16:9 video, you'll only get 1080p at best. If your audience is on mobile, 1080p is alright, but if they're on bigger screens, the Hero 12's 5.3K quality does stand out. It's a choice between the best quality and those invisible selfie stick shots with the X3. Plus, there's the challenge of those fixed lenses on the X3. If they get damaged, and they are pretty fragile, it's a trip or a send-off to the repair shop. You can't just buff any scratches out. And that's a big thing to consider if you're doing some pretty hardcore activities. The Hero 12 might be your best bet if that sounds like you. Let's get back to some more shooting differences. Let's talk time lapse. The X3 can take stunning 8K 360 degree time lapses and reframe those later for smooth movement, while the GoPro Hero 12 only shoots 5.3K fixed angle time lapses. Pretty good, but that X3 flexibility to reframe that 8K 360 footage takes out the win here. Next, let's talk wide angle. The X3 offers 4K single lens mode with a 170-degree wide angle in flow state. That's the stabilization algorithm for Insta360, and it's silky smooth. You can reframe your shot from a 360 video file to make it even wider if that's what you'd like. On the other hand, the Hero 12 can shoot up to 156 degrees wide angle view in 8:7 aspect ratio footage. You can go wider with the Hero 12, but you'd need to buy a Max Lens Mod 2.0 for another $99.99, which pushes the cost that much higher. We'll come back to cost and value at the end. Good news for all the waterproof warriors out there, both cameras can handle being underwater up to 10 meters. The Hero 12 even has a lens that repels water, so droplets slide right off. But if you're going on deep sea adventures, make sure you have the right accessories for both options. Alright, let's switch gears to editing workflow. Hero 12 users, you'll need the GoPro Quick app. Wireless connection, quick preview, and easy editing comes along with that. For X3 users, the Insta360 app lets you edit without downloading to your phone. Storage issues, be gone. What's more, the Insta360 app offers a ton of editing features based on AI and is constantly updated with new modes, effects, and templates and regular feature updates that you don't pay any extra for. For a lot of the auto edit features on a GoPro, you'll need to upload to the cloud and pay a yearly subscription too. And that editing feature set is nowhere near as comprehensive as the X3. The Hero 12 is priced at US $399.99, while the X3 is priced at US $449.99 without any promotions, and that price was correct at time of making this video. The Hero 12 has a fixed field of view, but the X3 offers a 360-degree camera mode, allowing for multiple unique shots only possible with a 360 lens, plus a 4K single lens mode, which competes with the Hero 12 in terms of stabilization and overall performance. Essentially, the X3 is like having two cameras in one. To achieve similar capabilities to the X3, you would need to purchase a Hero 12 and GoPro Max for 360 video capture for a total of US $799.98. And don't forget that wide angle Max Lens 2.0 Mod 2 for another $99.99. So here's what I think. Ultimately, it's not about the specs, is it? The GoPro Hero 12 and Insta360 X3 each bring something unique to the table. It's not just about specs. It's finding the perfect fit for your adventures. For me, the 360 video capture on the X3 allows shoot first and point later capability. And the invisible selfie stick effect in third person view is super ideal for travel footage on the run, where you can be in the moment and edit using the excellent app later. And you get all those excellent editing features too in the software, as well as regular firmware updates bringing new features for the camera itself. This is not something that I see happening on the GoPro series. But if you're doing hardcore adventure shooting, or even need something where the camera can stand up to a little rough handling, then maybe the GoPro Hero 12 is best suited to your style of shooting. I think you're gonna like this video next, and be sure to check out my video description for special purchase links that might get you a free gift too from time to time. Enjoy the next vid next, see you there.